This is a gem right here, man. This is like the secret, bro. This is the secret sauce to getting the beard. This is what they don't tell you. I'm telling you what they don't tell you. I'm the plug. Check 1, 2. Boom. Look at that. Look at that, man. Wow. Oh my gosh. Wow. I literally just woke up in the morning. I literally just woke up, and you know what this means. This is another beard care video. So if you don't know what this is, you can make a guess in the comment section down below. But it keeps the waves tight and sturdy. So in today's video, I'm gonna show you guys how to deep condition your beard with a simple avocado. So run and get yourself an avocado because it's about to go down. After you got your avocado, you are going to be using this little thing, I hope we're not spoiled, to basically deep condition your beard. So I actually just bought this for $1.49, $1.49 in Canada. What is the world coming to? $1.49 for an avocado. When is the last time you paid $1.49 for avocado? I'm basically gonna open this up just to make sure that it's not spoiled, first and foremost, because it is so squishy when I buy it. The moment of truth. I've seen a lot of bad avocados in my day. Okay, we're gonna have to use like half of this because this is, I'm worried. I don't like seeing too much brown in my avocado, so I'll pick out the good parts. But the video still goes on. First thing you can do is take a shower, just moisturize your beard. Me personally, I'm gonna take a shower. See you guys in like a quick second. Okay, so now I just came out of the shower. Now I'm basically gonna salvage this avocado. So hopefully I can get some good avocado out of here because most of it is brown, and so let's see how it goes. So grab yourself a spoon, dig in. As I pick this avocado, I'm gonna show you guys the healthy benefits. Now, since I got the good, the bad, the ugly out of this avocado, I'm basically gonna use what I have right here to deep condition my beard. How do you do that, you ask? You're in the right place. So first thing first, you get the avocado pieces that I salvaged. So this is the avocado right here. And what you're gonna do is, first of all, it's gonna get messy. You put a chunk in your hand and you just apply it to the beard. Okay, I gotta see what I'm doing here. There you go. Just apply it into the beard. Press down. Slide the hand down. Perfect. Right into the beard. All these natural oils are just gonna nourish the beard. Make sure it has that long-term longevity. It's funny enough, I had a video a while back, like 3 years ago, of me doing this in a washroom. And look how far I came, man. I'm still doing the same video. I look a lot more younger that one too. It's hilarious. But this is an updated one with a bigger beard. More mature. Not really. So I put half of that in the beard. I put the half that in the beard ass right now. I'll put another half in. So I'm gonna grab some more. I literally had less than a chunk full. Now I'm applying just like the remainder of this, half of this avocado into my beard. This is for people like you. This is how you get the thumbnails. Here, I'm curious. Alright, so I'm halfway into the beard. Man, it feels like a makeup tutorial right now. It's crazy. But this is a men's care. Boys, this is for men. We do this for the men. That's what we do here. For the boys. This is for the boys. This is the boys club right now. Make sure you like and subscribe, man, because I don't do this shit. I don't do this stuff for free, man. You know I don't do this stuff for fun, man. Come on. Like and subscribe, guys. Make a comment. If you guys never put avocado in your beard, please leave a thumbs up. This is a gem right here, man. This is like the secret, bro. This is the secret sauce to getting the beard. This is what they don't tell you. I'm telling you what they don't tell you. I'm the plug. First and foremost, make sure it gets under the beard. Most importantly, that's where it gets the driest the most, and that's where a lot of natural oils or beard oils don't get applied enough into. So let's just do that right now. Oh, there you go. Oh, I totally missed the top of my beard. Let's do this with precision. There we go. Precision and accuracy, there you go. Now it's all in the beard, so what I'm gonna do right here, I'm gonna let it relax, I'm gonna let it dry up, and basically nourish the beard. Yeah, I'm gonna let it nourish the beard right here. So I'm gonna wash my hands, I'm gonna chill out for 10-15 minutes, and I'll see you guys right back. So it is pretty good right now. It is kind of semi-hard, it's still wet underneath the beard a lot more, but I can just chill out for maybe another 10 minutes. If not, I'm pretty fine with this already. So what I'm gonna do is just jump right behind me into the sink right there. I always suggest you guys to go lukewarm water. I don't want you guys to damage the follicles in your hair. And what we have right here, we have a pick, which I'm gonna be using predominantly. I'm gonna finish off with some beard oil right here. So let's just get right into that and just rinse the beard to make sure it's deep and conditioned and clean. And that's why you guys are here, right? Looking glorious. There we go. There you go. So you guys just witnessed that go down. How to deep condition your beard. So what I'm gonna do right here is get my pick. Let's pick it out a bit. And one thing I do when it comes to beard techniques and picking out your beard, I puff up my cheeks. So it actually helps your beard get more of that fuller look, right? So when it comes down to beard care and when it comes down to deep conditioning, I typically would do this probably about every 3 weeks. So I hope you guys got some value out of this video. Make sure you subscribe to the channel down below, hit the notification bell, and stay tuned for more content. This is Mr. Lou, and you guys are watching Artquay, New Direction of a Modern Man. If you guys are new subscribers to the channel, welcome first and foremost, and make sure to subscribe to the channel, hit the notification bell. And if you guys are old subscribers, welcome back. Can't buy this, suit flyness.